how to delete emails from iPhone. Now, because we're talking about iPhone, we're going to do this from the iPhone specific mail app, which is their official mail app from Apple, right? I'm not using Gmail or other third-party mail app. I'm just using the mail app where you can also use it, right? So let's say I want to delete all the emails on this particular mail app. All I have to do is select all inboxes or whichever else it is. So maybe you want Outlook or Gmail or whatever else it is, right? Now you can either long press on a certain mail, scroll down and tap on the delete button, or you can instead tap on the edit button from the top right, select all button from the top left, then tap on the trash button from the bottom right to finish the deletion process. So this is a simple way on how you can delete these mails on your iPhone. And once you trash them, by the way, you also have to delete them from this trash because they will still be restored in the trash option in case you want to restore in the future. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.